Hello, very good morning to all of you. I'm Dr. Jenox from the Department of Botany, Wilson College, Mumbai, and my serial number is 20. Today I'm going to deliver a presentation on the structure of a cell. Now, in a cell, there are various cell organelles, starting from the periphery till the center. From the periphery, the plasma membrane and the cell membrane, and then if you move on to the inside of the living cell, you will find that there are various cell organelles, and they are in a fluid which is called as cytoplasm. Now, in cytoplasm, there are various cell organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, chloroplast, which is present only in plant cell. The function of the chloroplast is the photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is a process in which the plant makes the food in the presence of sunlight. The pigment which is present in chloroplast is chlorophyll, and in the presence of sunlight it prepares the food. And chloroplast is absent in animal cell. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell which generates ATP. And the brain of the cell is called as the nucleus. Now, why the nucleus is called as the brain of the cell? That is a very important question, and that we should know. Nucleus is called as the brain of the cell because it contains the genetic material, and this genetic material may be in the form of DNA or RNA. Recently, we have gone through a very important stage, and that was the COVID period. The virus is having a genetic material which is called as RNA, that is ribose nucleic acid, and it reverses in order to form a DNA through reverse transcription. Whereas in animal cell, DNA is present. DNA is called as deoxyribose nucleic acid, and in that the chromosome has numerous genes, and every gene has a specific function which comes under genetics. So why nucleus is called as the brain of the cell? Because it passes on the information from one cell to the other cell, and there is a central dogma which we call from DNA to RNA, that is transcription, and from RNA to protein, translation. There is a process called as replication, that is the preparation of DNA to DNA, and this whole process from DNA to the protein or the polypeptide synthesis is called as the central dogma. The nucleus is having various other parts, like it is having a separate nuclear membrane from where the particles, selectively important particles, pass through nuclear pore complex. It is having an outer and the inner membrane, then a nucleolus, and then the chromatin network. And the fluid which is present inside the cell is cytoplasm, and the fluid which is present inside the nucleus is called as the nucleoplasm. So this is all about the cell organelles in a living cell. I hope you have understood today's presentation. Thank you.